Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that due to repetition attempts or other suspicious activity on your Snapchat and you do not want to log in your account, so you may face that problem in your phone. Just like that, you just pop up on your account just like that when you sign in on your Snapchat, and you may face that problem. Just like that, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activities, just like that, you can't gonna temporarily disable that problem you face on your Snapchat. You want to fix that issue, just simply go back to settings of your settings or mobile settings, just tap on a connection, and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. You simply go back and simply search a Snapchat from here. Just like a Snapchat, go search bar and simply search a Snapchat. Go to Snapchat and then wait for a second, and you just go to permissions, just tap on permissions, and let's allow all the permissions from here. You have to make sure that permissions from here, and simply go back and simply scroll down and then go to storage. Just tap on storage, and you have to just clear the cache from here, and also go to manage storage and just clear the data from here, and you just tap on delete, and just delete are the login account on your Snapchat, and just delete all the data from the Snapchats, and just again login and again you go back, and then simply go to Snapchat and tap on a Snapchat, and simply go to profile, and after the data your account gonna log out, and again login in your account by your username and password, and after that if you gonna log in, then simply go back and simply go to Chrome, and simply go to the Snapchat program, and just go to the contact us. Need to get in touch, just tap on contact us, just tap on that, and you see that I cannot access my account, just tap on it and scroll down. My account is gonna block, maybe temporarily disabled, just like that. My account is in the ban, just like that. Just scroll down and you see that there is an option. Wait for a second, as it shows that on your desktop, find that on your desktop, login into your account on, just tap on that and wait for a second for loading, and here you will have to just type a username of your account and just log in from here and complain the problem out here you face in your Snapchat, just like repeated problems in your account. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.